Morning and welcome. It's the 11th of April and it's 6:38 GMT. We'll start with the AUD USD. It's coming up to a little bit of support now at the big round number 7,000. Sorry, 7,500. So we're seeing a little bit of support here, and the last couple of days it's just floated about. That's actually been quite a good result. I was expecting we might get a little bit of a bounce off, but I've held my trade and it's all looking pretty good. So next, AUD JPY. This has nicely gone down. It's well, the last 8 days it's just gone down for us, and it's now down to the 30.9 line on the RSI. I can't see any let up on this, to be quite honest. In fact, if the bubble bursts on the S&P 500, you might actually see it fall quite a lot more. Euro JPY, basically the same story. We're short this pair aggressively on the commitment of traders report, and this is going down very nicely for us. AUD New Zealand, a little bit of a green candle yesterday. I think it's just a bit of a blip. So where are we? We're at what's it? Yeah, it is just finding a little bit of support. I think that should continue down next couple of days. The Euro, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, this has started to go down for us. It's obviously at support now, so that might take a couple of days for it to get over there. I just hope we don't get knocked out. Pound, Australian dollar. Again, it's finding resistance here at this level. So it's taken a couple of days. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days it's tried to get over this. I think it'll find a little bit more traction to the long side. So anyway, we're in that long term. S&P 500. This also is struggling a little bit at this level here. It's trying to break under it. It's had a couple of attempts down here. The commitment of traders was uncertain about this, so I'm a little bit cautious. I think it could go either way. Let's just see what's happening. Right, and here we go. The AUD CAD, that has shorted very nicely for me. I'm going to try and follow this through to the downside. Very good chance of getting down to 96. So we'll see how far it goes. Euro dollar, that's finding support again at this level. So that was a turning point there. So might take a couple more days for that to go down, but I'm sure that's going to follow through. Euro GBP. This isn't a trade I particularly like. I didn't enter it. I should have got in earlier. It's not a good entry position at the moment. If you are in it, I think it should go down. My silver trade, starting to find a bit of resistance here. Sorry, support at this level. I think that was quite heavy historically. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah, that's a turning point there. We'll see how that gets on, but it's not looking too bad at the moment. The overall trend for silver is down. I'm very confident with this trade that it's going to follow through. USD, Mexican peso. Little bit of a green candle today. It is just bobbing along the bottom. Um, but this trade is going to come. This is going to go long. It just cannot. The Mexican peso is definitely not going to outrun the US dollar. Excuse me. USD JPY. Um, I was expecting a bit of a turn to the upside on this. It hasn't really happened. If anything, the middle Bollinger Band is coming down to touch the candles where they are now. We're still below the 50 line, and while we're still there and it's bobbing between the 30 and the 50, this is going to continue down. Um, so there we go. And now the oil. This is coming up to resistance. We got a little bit of a red candle this morning. We've actually gone over the resistance on the RSI. It's not looking very confident though. It's to me, I think this area here is about the top of where the oil's going to go. But I think we've got to leave that a couple more days at least before we start entering that. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Sorry about my voice. I'm losing it a little bit. And, you know, see you tomorrow morning. Thank you. Bye now.